Welcome the students of class 6. Welcome to our social science geography class. And today I am going to discuss about another subunit from your second chapter. And the name of the chapter is Globe, Latitude and Longitude. And today we are going to discuss the first half of that first subunit, and we discuss about the globe. So look at your board. That globe is a true miniature model of the earth, and it's all the continents, the oceans, the plateaus, the plains, everything mentioned clearly on the globe. There are different types of globes, such as big globe used in the museum, is placed in the museum for the geologists and the students, as well as the pocket globes. It can be, you can use it and you can carry it anywhere, so it is very useful and it is very easy to carry this pocket globe. And number 3 is balloon globe. So this is a picture of globe. Now in the globe, have you seen that line, an imaginary line about which the globe rotates east to west? Okay. And actually the earth also in the similar way and rotates around a line, an imaginary line, and that line is called the axis of earth. And in the globe also the axis present, and actually in globe a needle, two needle is fixed in through the globe and in a tilted manner, and these needles are called axis. In the real earth no such needle was there, so it rotates around an imaginary line in a tilted manner from west to east. Remember that west to east means it is west to east. Earth just rotates in this manner. Okay. Now another two portion was present where the 2 points on globe through which the needle passes are the two poles named North Pole and South Pole. So these two areas, this is South Pole and this is the North Pole. The two areas through the needle passes in a globe, these are called poles. In real earth also the two places are the northernmost and southernmost areas of the earth is called the two poles. They are North Pole and South Pole. So another imaginary line running on the globe and dividing the earth into two parts. The blue line drawn here, the blue line is equator. So this line is called equator, which line running on the globe and divided the earth into two parts. Northern portion is called northern hemisphere and the southern portion is called southern hemisphere. So these are the detail about the globe. There are some lines, okay, some imaginary lines also drawn over the earth, and you can see those lines on the globe. Those lines are drawn from the equator to North Pole and equator to the South Pole. So these lines are called the parallels of latitude. These lines are very important to find any place on the surface of the earth. So we'll see later how we can calculate the distance of any place, and there are total 180 parallels of latitude, and latitude denotes with degree. So that's all from today's class. Hope you have understood everything. Next class will come with another chapter, another subunit from your history book. So thank you for watching.